In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to target multiple segments or tags when setting up a campaign. We'll start inside your email platform's campaigns area, which is the place where you create and manage outgoing emails. If you've already got a campaign ready, great. Head there now. If not, create a new one and give it a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later. Something like blog subscription works well because it tells you at a glance who the message is for and what it's about. Good naming helps you keep your work organized, especially if you manage multiple newsletters or promotions. Once your campaign exists, open the campaign draft. The draft is your workspace for finalizing everything before you send: content, subject line, recipients, and scheduling. It's a safe place to make edits, save your progress, and review settings without sending anything yet. If you step away, most platforms auto-save, but it's still a good habit to save manually as you go. Now, focus on the To section. Here, you'll see the Audience field, which might display something like Project News. This label indicates the main audience or list your message will be sent to. Think of it as the broad container for your contacts. It's a quick way to confirm you're working with the right list before you get more precise with targeting. If your organization uses several audiences, double-check that this is the one intended for this message, so your metrics stay clean and your subscribers get the right content. Beneath that, look for the Send to area. This is where you refine who within that audience should receive the campaign. You can select up to 10 segments or tags. Segments are typically rule-based groups, like people who opened a message in the last 30 days, while tags are simple labels you've applied, like new subscribers or webinar attendees. Click into this field and choose multiple tags or segments that match your goal. For example, you might pick blog subscribers, recent signups, and engaged readers to ensure the content reaches people most likely to care. As you make selections, keep an eye on the estimated recipient count to confirm your targeting looks right. Be intentional with combinations so you don't over-narrow your audience. If you use overlapping tags, most tools will deduplicate automatically, but it's still smart to review. When you're satisfied, your campaign is now set to reach a well-defined group without leaving the main audience. That's it. You've navigated to campaigns, opened your draft, confirmed your audience, and selected up to 10 segments or tags to fine-tune delivery. Save your changes, and you're ready for content review and scheduling.